Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will be showing you a quick and easy way to use Cricut pens to address your Christmas cards. Setting up your card in Design Space couldn't be simpler. Start by putting in your address, and you'll have to change the operation setting from cut to pen. This lets your machine know to write this part instead of cutting it out. Next, let's set up the envelope. So just pull in a square. I'll just make it white so it's easier to see. And then resize it to how big your card is. Click the lock button down at the bottom, and then you can resize the square and turn it into a rectangle. On width and height, just enter in your dimensions. Mine is 8 by 5 3/4. Place the addresses in the right spots and adjust the size so they look right. Now that everything's in place, I don't need this rectangle anymore, so I can just delete that. And then you need to highlight all of the writing, and down at the bottom click Attach. This will make it so that the writing stays how you arranged it and doesn't move beside each other. Now you're ready to send this to your Cricut. I can fit 2 envelopes on my mat at a time, and I'll show you a little trick that I do. The first envelope will be empty, and the second will have a card in it. Grab your brayer and stick them both down on the mat. Now I can grab my Cricut fine point markers. I love this ultimate set because it has so many colors to choose from. If you haven't used these before, all you have to do is open up clamp A and put your marker in. Push down until you hear a click, and then close the clamp. This mat is ready to pop into my Maker 3 and let it do the writing for me. These look great. Now we just have to take them off the mat. Let's start with this top envelope, which does not have a card inside. If you pull this up off the mat, the envelope is going to be really curled up. So instead, let's flip it over and pull the mat away from the envelope. This is a really good quality, thick envelope, but as you can see here, the corner is still a bit rolled up. Do the same thing with the envelope that has the card inside. This one comes off the mat way easier because the card makes it more rigid. It looks great, and there are no issues with the corners rolling up on this one. Now I'll show you these side by side. The one on the right with the card in it is nice and straight. The one on the left is okay, but when I show you the side profile, you can see that it's pretty curved. So when you're doing your cards this Christmas, be sure to put the card in first and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching, and as you head into this holiday season, I wish you luck on all of your cards and projects. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.